What is up, everybody? It is your boy 310 back again with another video. I know it's been a cool minute since I've posted anything, and the reason behind that is because I have a couple of life updates for y'all. Just go into it really quick. I have a new job. I don't know if I want to disclose where I'm working now, but it's basically a better warehouse job than what I was working before. And my girlfriend and I recently welcomed a beautiful baby girl into our lives, so we're real excited for that. And these last couple of weeks just kind of been busy, basically being onboarded to my new job and tending to my new baby girl. So that's why I haven't posted much content in the last couple of weeks, but I definitely want to get back on that grind and start posting more things for y'all. But anyway, enough about me, let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a new monitor that I bought. I've been meaning to get a second monitor so that I can have that dual setup for my current setup as it is. I have one monitor right now, but I know for when I want to start streaming and stuff, it's not going to be enough, so that's why I decided to get the second monitor. And this one is geared more towards gaming, so it's a gaming monitor that I'll use for whenever I start playing and streaming video games. Now you'll notice that I'm actually in my room. The reason I'm in here is because the monitor is pretty big and I wanted to have enough space to unbox it. So just for today basically, or maybe for in the future when I unbox bigger items, I'll probably use my room for that. So yeah, let me show you what monitor I got. So here's the monitor that I got, the LG UltraGear. Let me set it down on my bed. And yeah, this one is a 27-inch 1440p monitor with a 144 Hertz refresh rate. So I'd say that's a pretty decent gaming monitor that I hope will look good on the live stream and whenever I'm playing video games. So why don't we go ahead and open this up. So yeah, there's the box. As you can see, it's a pretty big box, and I've got my trusty box cutter, so let's open this up. Hope that I don't cut anything important as I'm opening it, but yeah, well, there it is. Oh, okay. So this is what is presented to us as we open it. We have the base, nice little base. I'll put this on the side here, and then this is the actual mount where the monitor goes on, and the AC adapter, presumably HDMI cable, which is great. I'm not sure what this piece is, but if you guys know, let me know down below. Wait, 2 HDMI cables? See that cable? I don't think this is HDMI. I think this is a display port, not HDMI. This one's HDMI, so that makes sense. Display port, HDMI. And, you know, the obligatory instructions and ROM disk that nobody needs anymore. So yeah, let's put this to the side. And yeah, under here is the monitor presumably, so hopefully it's face up, so let's see. Oh, it's not face up, so let me get this out the box and I'll show it to you guys. Alright, so I got the monitor out of the box. Let me see if I can sort of one-hand this and take off this plastic, or not plastic, but this covering over it. Probably not. Let me take it out real quick. So yeah, there's the monitor right there. It's held up against the styrofoam that it comes in. And the reason that I went with this particular model as opposed to other monitors out there is because it has that NVIDIA G-Sync, and I think it'll integrate well with my graphics card, my NVIDIA graphics card. So yeah, that's why I chose this model. And I mean, again, it does have pretty decent specs, so should work fine. But yeah, there's the monitor in all its beauty. So yeah, that's the initial unboxing of the LG UltraGear 27-inch monitor. My initial thoughts on it is that the monitor itself, it looks pretty good. It's a nice flat monitor. I mean, most monitors are like that, but I think it looks pretty good. The one thing that I kind of will nitpick is that the back of the monitor has like this random red ring, and I don't really like that. But then again, you won't be able to see it, so doesn't really bother me, but if I had to sort of, like I said, nitpick something that I didn't like, it would be that. But other than that, the monitor looks pretty good. I'm going to be setting up this monitor right now. I did buy a VESA mount from Amazon that supports 2 monitors up to 32 inches, and it is a brand called AVLT. I'll post a screenshot of the exact model that I got right now. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna go for a dual monitor mount. So yeah, why don't we go over to my setup and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So here's my current setup. I haven't really changed much since my last update. So there's my current monitor. My plan is to put the VESA mount behind there on the desk, and I think I'm going to put my new monitor on the bottom side of it, and then this one stacked on top, because the VESA mount that I got, I can either do them side by side or stacked on top of each other, and I think I'm gonna go for that stacked look. I'll be setting this up now. I probably won't record footage of that just because it'll take too much time. So yeah, I'll check in every now and again to see how it's going. Just a quick update, everyone. I have the mount mounted on my desk, and both arms are on there already. I'm just gonna try and figure out the exact configuration that I want for both of my monitors. But my plan is to put my new monitor on the bottom and then my previous monitor on the top part of it. So hopefully that works out, but this is how it's coming along thus far. Now I've attached the VESA bracket onto both monitors. Here's the one for the LG monitor. Here's the one for the other LG monitor that I already had. So they're ready to be mounted now. Alright everybody, so there's the setup all done. I do like how it looks, kind of that stacked look. The only thing that sucks is I do have limited mobility behind this area. Mostly because this L-shaped desk stops here, so I can't pull the desk out to create more space in the back. But I think for now this will do. It does look kind of uneven on each side, but yeah, for the most part I'm pretty satisfied with how this came out. What's up everybody, I'm back here at my normal recording area. I have both monitors set up here and they look great. Why don't I show you some gameplay of the only game that I have here downloaded on my PC, which is Apex Legends. Now don't mind the gameplay, your boy does suck at these type of games, but this is just to show you how the gameplay looks on my new LG monitor. So why don't we check that out.
Safety's off. Enemy landed on me. Healing. Watch my back.
Mate, check that map. We're all over the place. Getting shot at. Shooting some blonkers.
Next ring.
Attention, delivering replicator.
So yeah, there was some of my horrible gameplay from Apex. How do you guys think it looks? It looked good on my end on the LG ultra-wide monitor. I didn't get the exact specs as far as like the refresh rate and the frame rate and all that, but I think overall just initial thoughts of how the gameplay looked, it did look pretty good. So hopefully this monitor serves its purpose once I start streaming and, you know, playing games for you guys. So I guess I will end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give me a big old thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. It helps getting my video out there in the YouTube world. And also consider subscribing, as I'll be posting content as much as I can. Alright, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.